Welcome to County Magazine, a chance to find out what's new across Fairfax County. I'm Brian Ashby. On this edition, we'll take an up-close and personal look at the county nursing program through the eyes of one of its own. We'll share tips on summer water safety and explore the joys of summer reading with your Fairfax County Public Library. Plus, the 2022 United States Disabled Open National Golf Championship comes to Fairfax County. The Fairfax County Park Authority's Laurel Hill Golf Club recently hosted the 2022 U.S. Disabled Open National Golf Championship. The 54-hole championship is open to golfers with physical and intellectual impairments, with qualifications similar to the Special Olympics. The view at Laurel Hill is always picturesque, but at this year's Disabled Open Championship, it was inspirational. Take a look.
So the 2022 United States Disabled Open National Championship is being held at Laurel Hill Golf Club in Lorton, Virginia. This Open Championship is for players with various impairments, whether it be physical or intellectual, that can want to come out here and compete in a variety of different formats and different flights. Jason Faircloth, who's the director of the USDGA, has been very inspirational to work with. It's something that he has been trying to compete in different events, and he's kind of loved the game of golf for years and years, to where he saw in the United Kingdom in 2018 they hosted a disabled championship, and so he actually went out there.
So we wanted to create something here in the States that was almost as professional as what they did in England. So that's kind of how it all got started.
My favorite part about getting prepared for this is just seeing the variety of people that have been out here. I mean, you've got guys with one arm, one leg, just amazing people who are playing golf and just getting out of the house and doing. I like to see that. I mean, the pride they have for the game of golf is fantastic.
Well, the United States Disabled Golf Open is a tournament. For me, it brings the opportunity for me to have this social and the camaraderie. A lot of people talk about the health benefits. They talk about the cognitive benefits, how it soothes your soul to go out and play golf. But sometimes it's overlooked at what the social benefit is.
You know, I'm a paraplegic and I come out and play and I never think about it every day. I play with my buddies at my home course and I just play every day. And I come here and I watch everybody in the Disabled Golf Open Championship, and it's heart-wrenching, it's heartwarming, it's inspiring, and it brings tears to my eyes, and it just makes me, love life even more and just get inspired by everything that happens here. And there's no need to complain. You can't. When you watch the people out here and watch what's going on and the love and the compassion and what's happening here, this is an amazing event. So I'm just proud to be here.
Summer is the best time to relax and refresh body and spirit. But did you know it's also an ideal time to refresh your mind? With endless suggestions for the perfect summer read, from page-turning thrillers to thought-provoking texts, the Fairfax County Public Library has what you need to keep your mind moving this summer.
Dive into oceans of possibilities and explore the depths of your library. Join the Fairfax County Public Library's Summer Reading Adventure and earn rewards as you read. The program is super simple. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up online. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov/library and search Summer Reading Adventure. Then, just log in or create your Beanstack account and get started. Step 2. Track your progress. Complete activities and earn virtual badges all summer long. Read anywhere and everywhere. No matter what you're up to, bring a book with you. You can even download books. Then read or listen to them wherever you are, or have someone read to you. That counts too. Step 3. Get prizes. Collect 10 virtual badges to win great prizes. Finishers receive coupons for summer treats and activities, including ticket vouchers for a Washington Nationals game, outings at Fairfax County Park Authority facilities, and more. Step 4, connect with us. All summer long, join the adventure. Experience magic, music, STEM activities, and more. Check your local branch to find out what activities are near you. Go online and get started today with the Fairfax County Public Library Summer Reading Adventure. And enjoy your summer.
Are you looking to start a stable new career? Fairfax County is now hiring professional CDL drivers.
I love it. I can do different stuff every day. I can help people. It's just a fun job.
The county was a perfect opportunity to start a career.
I come to work every day and I'm happy. I love running the equipment, my truck, driving, talking on the CB, everything.
As a driver for Fairfax County, you'll receive competitive pay, a strong benefits package, and opportunities to grow your career.
Once you get in, it opens your eyes up to different career opportunities where you can go.
It's one of the best retirements in the country. That's not just my opinion, that's an actual fact. You can look it up.
Most importantly, we value your safety and your time away from work.
The county really cares about, family-oriented environment. They want us to get home safely. Want you to get home to your family, do your job safely in a timely manner and carefully.
It's a great bunch of guys, the camaraderie is really great. The atmosphere is fun, and that's what I'm all about. I'm all about having fun out here on the job.
Get your career rolling. Apply now at fairfaxcounty.gov.
Not just a job, a career.
With summer in full swing, the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department urges you to make water safety an important part of all your summer plans. Here are some tips. Swim in designated areas supervised by lifeguards. Always swim with a buddy. Do not allow anyone to swim alone. Even at a public pool or beach with lifeguard, use the buddy system. Never leave a young child unattended near water. And do not trust a child's life to another child. If you go boating, wear a life jacket. Most boating fatalities occur from drowning. Avoid alcohol use. Alcohol impairs judgment, balance, and coordination. It affects swimming and diving skills and reduces the body's ability to stay warm. Cleaning out your medicine cabinet is about more than having a tidy bathroom. In an age of opioid addiction, it can also prevent leftover medications from getting into the wrong hands. According to the 2016 U.S. National Survey on Drug Use and Health, 53% prescription opioid abuse users were given, bought, or took medication from a friend or relative. Consider relocating your medicine or locking them away in a cabinet or drawer. Never flush or throw away old prescriptions. Visit the county's website for guidelines on proper disposal of prescription medications to protect your community and the environment. Isn't it time you cleaned out your medicine cabinet? If you know someone who has a problem with a substance abuse, let them know help is available, and that leads to hope. Contact the Fairfax Falls Church Community Services Board 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 703-502-7000, TTY 711. Nursing is one of the most challenging and rewarding career paths someone can take. But there are benefits to following that path with Fairfax County. Let's meet Alicia and find out what it takes to flourish in one of the most demanding jobs.
My name is Alicia Parker Stevens, and I'm a public health nurse at the Fairfax County Health Department. I am a person who likes to take care of other people, and that can occur in different ways, not just the medical, but also the social, emotional. And so when I think about my work in the field of nursing, I want to make sure that families have access to health care. That also means helping them to be an advocate for themselves, not just moms and babies, but also the family as a whole. So that can be quite a challenge, especially when you're dealing with different languages and cultures all in the same visit. A nurse who is interested in working in public health has to be flexible, has to be patient, and has to be open to learning new things all the time, no matter what it is, from language, culture, technology, working with families who have experienced intense trauma. And sometimes we have to think about our approach, your tone of voice, and meet families where they are while slowly building trust. There are times during the pandemic where I visited families by video calls. So I took the extra time to work with families before, a day or two before a visit, so that they can learn to download the app that is needed. I have always been intrigued by new life, growth and development of babies, pregnancy, the whole perinatal period. And when I think back of how did that come to be, I think about my own mom, who is a nurse. And there was a time when healthy babies spent time in a nursery in their own individual cribs, and you could see the babies. And so that's always amazed me, what goes on inside our bodies. When I first started this job, I knew before I accepted this job that I wanted to have a family, and I wanted to be able to be with my family and raise my children and spend time with my husband. So when I accepted this job, I knew that I would be able to have the flexibility with that. Nurses do change lives for the better. It's not always immediately seen, and because I've worked with the Fairfax County Health Department over a number of years, there are moms that come up to me, and they are happy to see me. If you are interested in the world of maternal child health, there are many options. Working at the bedside is not the only way. That's only one perspective of working in the world of maternal child health. Home visiting brings a huge perspective, and you can have a huge impact on a family. But there's also areas of policy that can be written that can also impact families, women, children, as well as the partners, the moms too. This job has worked really well with my family life, meshing in with my professional life, and it's really great to be able to enjoy my work while being able to have a life outside of work.
That's all for this edition of County Magazine. Thanks for joining me. Remember, there are countless ways to get involved in your community and make Fairfax County an even better place to live, work, play, and learn. I'm Brian Ashby, and we'll see you next time on County Magazine.